Hello dear friends, welcome to another GIS and remote sensing YouTube video channel. Today we will discuss about the hydrology arc toolbox and arc map. Today inshallah we will talk about the basin, how to create a basin, fill, flow direction, flow accumulation, snapper point, stream order, stream to feature, watershed, and create a layered view of this. For support us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Now come to arc map environment. As you see, this is a digital elevation model has already downloaded from sites. Now come to arc toolbox, spatial analysis tools. Here, hydrology. Yeah, there are the 19 that we will talk about it. Now come to fill. Why we use fill? Fill it should remove small imperfections from the digital elevation model when a sensor or when a satellite image capture image. It usually it have some imperfection. For removing it, we use fill. In input raster, we use a digital elevation model. Out out output we should rename by the name of fill. Is limit and also is optional. Um, Sometimes when he is here in the maximum elevation difference between a sink or at its spear point. If you have no but you can use, but it's optional. We use is empty. Just okay. Yeah, then come to Windows Image Analyze. Here we click on Fill and come to Sweeper. Here you will see when it's swept in. Here you can uh, clearly see what is the difference between dim and fill. When you fill some, as you see here, in here you can see some imperfection is removing now. Okay, here. Yeah, come to another ones. Come to flow direction. What is the flow direction? Is in flow direction is implement in every cell uh, for steepest downslope neighbor. I will show it. It should by the every cell will make a downslope or make a direction of slope. It will determine the slope direction. In input surface, come to use fill output by the name of flow direction. Here is a fourth all eight. These two things is optional. Fourth all eight is here. Check all cell at the edge of the surface raster will flow outward from the surface raster, but it's optional. We untick it. Just okay. Here you will see, and I will explain in every cell. It will in every cell must be the same pixel value every color. Just I here zoom in here. Yeah, when you done the flow direction, the green coral in every part of image, the pixel value should be the same, and also the red, the yellow, every same ring, same color should be the same pixel value. Uh, how I know how I compare? Here is a identify. When you click on it, come to the uh, uh, green color and right click on it. The pixel value is 4. From here, pixel value is 4. Here come to pixel value is 4 for green. For red, how much? Pixel value is 8. Here, pixel value is 8. And here also 8. For sign is 16 here, sign 16 is by the cell, now. Okay, how to create a basin? How know how much is basin? Here is the how much basin. For creating basin, come to here. We use basin tabs here. Basin input flow direction raster. Here we should use flow direction. Here the output should by the name of basin slash image. Just okay. It must create a basin. We will know how much is basin. Here, here's a we use these things. No, come to another ones. It will be good. Which one? This one's. Yeah, here's that maybe three or two basin. Yeah, now come to here Toolbox. Come to here by the name of conversion tools. Here from raster to polygon. We use raster as by the name of basin image. The value should be count or will be, and here should be, yeah, we'll check it. Here is open more basic things, count value. Okay, oh, here we use by the name of basin slash sh. Yeah, that means shape files we use. Okay, close. Here you see this is the polygons we, and also here we should use hello. This one is output line should be with one. Here should be gray and red. Yeah, now you know how to create a basin from raster image. It's great. Come to another ones. Another ones here from hydrology. We use flow accumulation. Flow accumulation using by width of every cell will done. If you use flow direction in input, from every input of flow direction, it will create a accumulation by the width of any cells. Come to here, should use flow direction. Here should be flow accumulation input of width. For optional is a one. Optional is a one. If you use anything or any numbers you want, it will be optional, but for output of sometimes the number should be float or integer. Now we use integer, and also you can use flat number. Just okay. It takes a times. If you use a large uh, satellite image, it will be more take time. Don't motivate about this, but for a small region it should less take time. The accumulation is by every cell, by every weight of cell. It means by every weight of flow direction cells. As you see, the pixel value of every uh, color is the same. By the this pixel value, it will be run accumulate. In here, I antique. First close this ones. Antique basin, and also come to fell. Yeah, this one here you can see how much a river, how I know is 0 up to this digit, and also you can use double click on it. In here you will be specify which pixel value should be appear. How can I use for symbology? We use classified. Here we use classify. Here we should use to class. Yeah, here is a two digit. Yeah. From what should be used. Here we use for now. We use it means 5,000. Yes, okay. and also you double click on it, no color, double click on it with black color, apply. Okay, now you will see, and also this one should go to, yeah. And also you will see this we use identify from, if I click here, or and also I can zoom in. Yeah, if you identify, click on here, you will see the pixel values of how much here, and also from this ones, cause of we use the first value is above 15,000. Here's before 15,000 should be removed. If you use after 15,000, it will be here remain. It is your optional. If you use if you work on a local project, it will be it is your aims. If you consider more rivers, more mm, more uh, specify, or if you want to more include the small rivers, just come to change this value from 15 less than. If you want to major point or major river should be included from this, you can use and also you can here you can change the value also from 5,000 or much we use like this, no one, like this, from 100,000 up to here. The river should be show for us. Yeah, it should be the main point. And also how to some things I want to have accumulation above 1000. How here, come to Arc Toolbox, from Math Algebra, Raster Calculator. Here from Follow Accumulation, double click on, sorry, double click on here, above and equal to what you should be, use this value, cause of you will select, yeah. And also the output should be flow accumulate slash should be not accumulate condition. Yes, just okay. Here you will see those driver above to 1000. Yeah, it's great. Close. Now to come and take full direction. Also here should be no, in here no color, outline is no color, is okay. But here we should use this ones. Yes, great. Is a flow accumulation. It will determine driver. From here, flow accumulations. Here, flow accumulation, flow directional done. Come to stream order. A stream order assign a number recorder to a segment, or it need to work. It's the main aim is to create a linear network from what? From accumulation. Because of the accumulation should run by the driver. Here we should use flow accumulation condition. Here should be the flow direction. Flow direction here. Output should be stream slash order, and this is optional. Just okay. It will create a linear network, or it will, the same should be here. Here we have a three categories of river, and also we can attribute. Here should be we have a three digit of here. If you don't want, if you want to lose this one, you can also you can use from definition here. mention query here, haven't. Okay. Oh, here we take this one's come to how to change it in the future line. Here we have a stream to future from input stream raster. Here we should use a stream order. The input flow direction should be flow direction. The output should be stream future. Stream feature. Just okay. Just optional. Just okay. Now it's great. This is our driver. Blank door. This is our driver. Okay. It's now specified driver. And also, if you use this Basin, or you can use this Basin. Now it's great. Okay. And also, in use this ones. This one should be. If you use this things like this, it's now great. Here we use driver. That was great looking. That's great looking. Yeah. You have a two basins. The first one is here. The second is here. And also this driver belong to all the way. Yeah. Come to another ones. How to create a watershed. Yeah. For watershed, we use yeah here. Mhm. Here we should use from the drive here. We should use a point shift fall point. We use a point here. We should use the we should specify the coordinate system for if you don't know about the how to create a shift files. For more details you can watch our past videos. In here we import the our dim data. Here is the dim data. In here I will use it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just okay. Here is a coming. You use edit, start editing. Here should be yes. Start editing. Here we use this ones. Come to pine. We use pine. If you want to make a watershed, the pine should be the end of any lines. Okay, how here it is a when you use a stream order, this is the one driver is the one. In here is a come to two. As you see, in here are some things I will want to describe. Here user this one is a I will change it in black color. It will be more clearly. Yes, the in here in a stream order, those line has a black color is the first. It means it's the first driver. Sign color is a second. It means here, as you see, it is a first driver. Another driver is came to in here. It is a stream order. It means okay, one is a two. One is two. In here, two. And for if you have three here, two here come, two here's come. It should be the man. It means the man for here. It is the man for here. It is be the man. Okay, it's the first, second, third. It means like that. Okay, for future point, zoom to layer. Yeah, come to here. Point. You should use this point. One point here. Second point here. Another come to we combine two uh, river. You should point it for making a watershed. It will take time, but I stop the video, pause the video, but after, yeah, here as I already pointed uh, the in every uh, in every driver from 1 second and third driver. As you see here, I have already pointed. Now come to here from our toolbox. Here we have a snap pure point. Double click on here. Here we should use input raster or feature pure point. It means feature point, the point you have already created. Here we should, the pure point should be FID. Input accumulation raster should be used this one's flow accumulation condition, and here we should use it means a snap pure point. Sorry. Okay, it's the name is more snap point scan. We use a snap point. Okay, distance not we use, just okay. Close. How you know here is a 0 up to 18 value, but I here we can see we can watch here. You zoom, you can see the green uh, and also the blue one. Can you so, zoom in this ones so you can see this is a snap pure point. For watershed come to use, we use watershed. For flood direction, we use here flood directions. For import raster feature point, here we should use a snap point, and also this one is a value or raster value. By the value should be used by the count. I prefer to value. Here we use watershed. Just okay. Here it will uh, create a watershed of these basins. It will be more watershed. Mm, It take times because of it will work. But before done this, for our support, the team, the YouTube channel, for more videos, scientific videos, please insert your comments which video do you want, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Here's here's the watershed of this basin is already done. It's looking great, and also come here to uh, which one stream feature is great. Basin should be, yeah, this one's great looking for watershed, and also we can which one is my favorite here, which one is the favorite here, this one's all applied, yeah, not going log. Mhm. Yeah, yeah. So basin, we use basin color should be the black one. Yes, it's rivals, the black one, and also here we can remove the pine. That was great. Come to here. Mhm. Here we should use text. Uh, water sheet. Here, change symbol. Mhm. Use this ones. Also, should be here. So we mhm, can use this part also. Can use this part now. Great looking. Come to upcoming. Yeah. From insert tab, we use a skill bar. For a skill bar, should we use this one's properties? Is a I have already making talking about how to create a layout view in our last video by the name of coronavirus map. You can use this ones and also here should be kilometer. Use kilometer. Okay, just okay. Okay, here it should be great looking after some, and there's some things. And also we can use legend by the no North. This one is more great for me. I have all did this one's yes. Okay, okay, you can do anything. I have already talk about insert in coronavirus video you can use. Okay, now this is a watershed. We'll talking here more things, how to create a basin, flow direction, accumulation, stream order, how to create a watershed. Now, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe your channel for support the team. Bye bye, see you in next video. And for your favorite video, please insert your comments and share with me which video the team will provide for you. Bye bye.